Two of the biggest problems affiliates are having at this time is, number one, dealing with and understanding the technology, not understanding how they can create some simple products for themselves so that they can bring in 100% of the commissions instead of sharing it with everybody else. The second problem that they're facing is dealing with the high cost of traffic online. It is increasing. I've seen this happening now over the past 6 months or so. The economy is what it is, and creators of traffic platforms and people that are creating the products that we need to use out there, the prices are going up a little bit. We are in probably a $20 a month situation for your basic platforms. We are in, hundreds of dollars a month if you are doing things like solo ads or ad co-ops, buying package bundles. You can really put some large investment into those products, and we're going to see if we can knock those two things out of the park here tonight. So stand by and let's dig into it. Alright, the first platform I want to introduce you to, if you're not familiar with already, is LeadsLeap. The LeadsLeap platform gives you a free membership, not for trial of 2 weeks or 3 months or whatever. The LeadsLeap platform gives you free membership for life. This is a lifetime offer. What do we get out of LeadsLeap, and why would we want to use this platform? Well, number one, we can get traffic to your websites. LeadsLeap is a traffic exchange, and basically what you're doing there is, on the free version, you put your ads in and then you go click on ads to get credits so that your ads will show up also. Number two, and one of the primary reasons that I wanted to use LeadsLeap back a couple years back, I would say, is the autoresponder, because it allows you to have unlimited subscribers even on the free platform. And the platform that they use for the autoresponder is called SendSteed, and it does everything that you need it to do as far as an autoresponder goes, as far as keeping you legal within the autoresponder rules and regulations, getting you into the inboxes that you need to be into. There is nobody else out there that is doing or will do unlimited subscribers for free. So yes, if you have thousands of subscribers, bless your heart, then you can be on LeadsLeap and not have to pay anything extra for those multiple thousands of subscribers. The only thing the free version is going to do different is it's not going to let you put in your 10 days of email sequences, or 8 days, or 20 days, or whatever you do. It would be all broadcast, so you would be putting any daily emails that you wanted to send out would have to be in a broadcast method. I can build up to 10 pages. All the hosting is included. I've got pop-ups that I can use on those pages, and hosting is included. I can track everything, up to 10 rotators, 199 trackers for free. I can make money on LeadsLeap 5 different ways. Of course, the number one way is going to be have somebody upgrade with you in LeadsLeap, and if you're on the free version and somebody upgrades, you get 25%. If you are a paid member, then you would get 50%. And here's the next good part of LeadsLeap. It's only $27, maybe $23. I think there's a promotion out there available, but $23 to $27 per month compared to some of the bigger autoresponders. You're starting out at $30 a month and going up depending on how many subscribers you have and how their platforms are set up. So LeadsLeap has got you covered in quality. It's got you covered in price. All right, as in free. The price doesn't get any better than that. Okay, and everything that we're going to show you tonight, you can do on the free platform. All right. So next we are going to actually get into LeadsLeap, and we're going to go into the page manager, and I didn't get my window far enough over. We'll try that, but down this left hand side you're going to find everything you need for all your tools inside LeadsLeap, and where page manager is where we're at right here. Now of course I am a paid member, and so I have multiple pages in here all the way down. What I am going to try to bring you down to here, it's going to take a minute for all these to load in. I have to use our big computer due to a hardware problem to use my laptop, which is faster. But my big home computer here is showing its age as far as the speed that it can go. Okay, traffic on a budget. This is what we're going to look at. And I'm also going to be looking at how I got this traffic on a budget. All right, let me go ahead and pull up this page and give you a quick as soon as it decides to load. Try to scooch over here a little bit. All right, so traffic on a budget is a page that I put together, and I have my lead-in video here that is going to tell you how to use this page for the traffic that's available, and also how you can start making commissions from it. And because these are $4.90 up to $5, $4.95, and another $5, they are entry-level sales to be made. Small commissions, yes, but at least get you moving in the right direction and can get you into profit fairly quickly due to the fact that these are all monthly charges, membership charges. So you're going to keep passively making these sales each month that somebody stays in each of these traffic platforms. I also included 10 email titles for better open rates as a bonus. And another bonus that I don't have listed on here yet is our 4-step video blueprint / traffic budget, traffic on a budget Thursday night Zoom call, so that you can stop in and ask questions, and I try to cover a specific topic each week and leave room for Q&A at the end. So with this part right here is me doing the telling and selling on this platform for you. Okay, this part down here is my friend Barry and Coach for how we do these simple funnels and pages, and he takes you through how to do the share codes. I'm going to take you through it real quick here in just a moment, but he takes you through it a little bit more detailed, and how to set up lead capture pages and email follow-ups. We use LeadsLeap, which obviously we've already introduced you to, and that's why I wanted to introduce you to it, was to make sure that you know you can do it for free and set these pages up, because the share codes, which are right here for this page, and let's see if I can find Barry's real quick. On Barry's, he's got one here. So here's the capture page, here's the welcome or the sales page, here's his email list, and the list ID, which I'll show you what that is as we go through each one as well. So for right now, all I'm showing you how to do is set up this page using this share code in LeadsLeap, and it's going to give you all of this: the background, the flow of the funnel, the 4 boxes to be clicked and purchased. Everything's on here, okay? But all three videos, okay? So what we're going to do is go to Page Manager, and I'm going to see if I still have a test up here. Nope, I do not. Great. We're going to add campaign, and I'm going to test 1, 2, 3, and we're going to hit add now. And this may take just a second or two, as again I am working on the slow computer, so our load time is going to be a little bit challenging. Alright, test 1, 2, 3 is here. Now I'm going to hit right here, add a new page design to start. This pops up, and this is where we're putting the code. Alright, so I'm going to show you, yeah, I can show you off of this one. Let's show you Barry's. This is his click engine funnel. Okay, same concept, using the click engine as the primary traffic platform to talk about and for you to join. So here's his click engine link. Here's his LeadsLeap link, just like on mine, except I don't have mine in a box. And then his capture pages and instructions. And down here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other traffic platforms, all relatively inexpensive, $10 a month, $5 a month. So they're all very affordable and get you a ton of views, get you a lot of traffic. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to simply be putting your affiliate link into these boxes instead of Barry's. Okay, everything else will stay the same. Barry's going to do all the telling and selling for you, just like I do on mine. And then down here, same 2 videos, he's got to show you how to put all the share codes together. Okay, so this is a small business in a box, quite honestly. Okay, so we're coming in here, and did I pull that? I don't think I did. Lee, I want this one. He's calling it the welcome page. I call it the sales page. And coming here, popping that right here, and I want to show you do need the word page. Okay, down here you need the word list. Don't think it's just these letters over here. It's all of it. Okay, and popping that in there. Import. Okay. Now all we're going to do is go to Launch Editor, Updating Editor, of course, as we wait for this to come through. There we go. And so we are ready to go to make any edits to this page we want. We can change the background, we can change the colors, we can change if you've got something else that you would rather say up here, change the text, and basically all of that is done within the box. So if I wanted to change proof, I can just highlight it and then type in whatever I needed to change that word to. Okay, and you'll know some of the other changes you can make, like text size and colors and so forth, are all over here on the right hand side. But we're more interested in this right here, so we're clicking on this box. Get me out of the way here just a second. And I'm actually looking, if you notice this, look like I'm looking away in the sun. I'm actually looking away from the camera, okay? Apologies for that. So, click engine, his click engine link is right here. And what we would do is go to Warrior Plus, join the click engine through this link, go to Warrior Plus, and then we can get our link so that we can come back and switch this. So if you're not familiar with Warrior Plus, let me look at that real quick. Alright, so we're in just Warrior Plus login right here. We're going to go to affiliate. I'm thinking I'm going to go to transactions. And I'm going to come down here to product name. CK engine. Oops. That should bring it up down here. Nope, it's not going to come up down here for this one. Okay, Warrior Plus does sometimes take a little bit of time to learn the layout of the land. This should get us there. Alright. So under affiliate, offers and transactions are normally where I'm at. This is the click engine, offer title. And where is it at? At the $1 cash system. Alright, well, I apologize for the delay here. Let me see if I can find it. Alright, so I had to put in the word the. On Warrior Plus, the exact words have to be used to get it to work correctly and bring up your information. Alright, so the click engine is right here. Get 100% real buyer traffic. We would just simply go to get link right here, and I copy that link, and then we go back over to our page that we're working on. So over here on the right hand side, move this over. Right here, I would just paste my link into there. Now, if I save this and I put this out there, somebody clicks on that, it's going to go through my link so that I get paid, I get credit for selling that particular click engine subscription. All right, makes sense. Same thing for LeadsLeap. LeadsLeap, we go to the commission tab. Let's see if we can find that real quick. That's usually down here, affiliate links and tools. So we would grab that and put that in on this page as well, so that our link, your link, is the one that gets credit for everything. Alright, so now Barry has this built out, so he has a lead capture page for you also, and the welcome page is actually the sales page, and then he also has email follow-ups for you. Those will actually go over here on the left. When you're working on this page, you'll come up here to, when you're ready to do the list, you'll hit list, and then you'll hit Sinstead lists, and then right here get your list ID, and it'll drop all of your lists in there, so you can pick the one that goes with what funnel or page you're working on. Alright, let's head back over to YouTube, and we will start landing the plane here with all this information for you tonight. Let that repopulate again. I'm on YouTube. Jump back in there. There you go. Alright, so just a quick recap of what we talked about tonight. We're talking about putting yourself in a position to have your own product, and that product is going to be a traffic product if you choose to do so. You can put any links in you want. You can put any platforms in you want. Just change up the links, and you would have to work on your video to explain what it is that you're working with. On these particular funnels and pages, all you need to work with is just the links for the platforms that you want to use. The videos are already done. The selling and telling is done for you on those videos, and when somebody clicks through, if you change all your links over to the page correctly, then you're going to get credit for those sales that will come through. So with that in mind, we've covered the taking some of the tech out of the tech, if you will, and we have covered how to do this very much on the low budget side, because you're going to use LeadsLeap. It's free. We're giving you the page for free. There's no additional charge there. The only cost you may incur is if you do want to use the traffic platforms that we are suggesting on these pages, or the other programs that we may have or come out with, then those would be your only investment to purchase for this program at this time. All right, so let's go ahead and wrap it up. And again, if you haven't been here before, my name's Jeff, and we appreciate you stopping in to check out this particular platform. If you are ready to learn a little bit more about video and a little bit more about the strategies that we use, you can definitely check out the description area, and I will have our 4-step video blueprint link in the description area, and possibly on the pinned comment down below the video. That will get you into our 4-step video training, so that you know how to create videos productively, and it will also give you access to our Zoom calls on Thursday night. That way you can join us live on Thursday night, and I usually have a topic that I cover, and then we come back in with a quick Q&A to wrap it up. So with all of this going on, we hope you have a fantastic evening. We look forward to meeting you and seeing you in one of our videos and or the Zoom call, and possibly using these funnels and these pages that we are developing and putting out there for you to grab. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Take care.